So they have these things called boggins.
Boggin? What's that?
It's a mythical creature that guards a treasure chest of money and jewels.
You mean like a banker?
Ha ha. According to legend, if you catch one, you get the treasure chest.
Nope, definitely not a banker. I thought you checked the engine.
I did! It looked fine to me.
Huh, it looked fine.
Yeah, the compression ratio was 12 to 1. I advanced the timing, cleaned, and recapped the plugs. And I torqued down the valve covers to exactly 16.8 pressure pounds. It looked fine!
Just asking. So...
Don't say a word.
Oh, what a wonderful place to break down. And it's freezing. What's that?
I don't know, but it's getting closer.
Look, there it is!
Ah! Ah!
Whoa!
What was that?
I don't know, but it sure was ugly.
Huh?
Well, somebody think it's funny.
Hey guys!
What's that?
Found it in the in-tank manifold.
Chili dogs? Huh?
Don't mind if I do. Hey, it worked. It's still warm.
Sonic Hedgehog?